Bonjour et bienvenue.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll learn basic French greetings and phrases to help you start easy conversations in French. Whether you're traveling, meeting new friends, or just starting to learn French, these phrases will be super helpful. We'll go through greetings, introductions, polite expressions, and simple conversation tips, step by step. Let's begin with basic greetings and goodbyes in French.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Good morning or hello. It is a polite and formal greeting commonly used during the day in both casual and professional settings.
Salut. Salut.
Hi. It is a casual French greeting that means hi or hello and can also be used to say bye in informal situations. It's typically used with friends, family, or people you know well.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Good evening.
Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit.
Good night.
Au revoir. Au revoir.
Goodbye.
À bientôt. À bientôt.
See you soon.
À demain. À demain.
See you tomorrow. Feel free to pause and replay to practice at your own pace. Now, let's learn how to ask and answer. How are you?
Comment ça va? Comment ça va?
How's it going?
Ça va bien, merci. Toi? Ça va bien, merci. Toi?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Très bien, merci. Très bien, merci.
Very well, thank you.
Ça va mal. Ça va mal.
I'm not doing well.
Abonnez-vous à ma chaîne YouTube, merci.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, thank you. Part 3. Introducing yourself. Here's how you can introduce yourself in French.
Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle.
My name is.
Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment?
What's your name? The use of to you is informal and typically used when speaking with friends, children, someone you're familiar with.
Enchanté. Enchanté.
Nice to meet you.
Je suis nationality. Je suis occupation.
I am blank, state your nationality. Example.
Je suis américain.
For occupation example.
Je suis professeur.
Part 4. Polite expressions. Politeness is key in French culture. These phrases will come in handy.
Merci. Merci.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much.
S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît.
Please.
Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi.
Excuse me.
Pardon. Pardon.
Sorry. Excuse me.
De rien. De rien.
You're welcome. What do you think about this topic? Drop a comment below, and if you are new here, consider subscribing. Finally, here are a few phrases for common situations.
Où est? Où est?
Example.
Où est le parc? Où est le parc?
Where is the park?
Où est le commissariat de police? Où est le commissariat de police?
Where is the police station?
Je ne parle pas bien français. Je ne parle pas bien français.
I don't speak French very well.
Parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais?
Do you speak English?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What is this?
Pourquoi? Pourquoi?
Why? Today, we learned basic greetings, introductions, and polite expressions in French. These are great for starting conversations and building confidence. Practice these phrases every day to improve your fluency. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know in the comments what phrases you want to learn next.
Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.
Thank you so much, and see you soon.